My name's Alan Mathias. I'm currently Marketing, Communications and Media Specialist at a company called NDC Infrared. We operate in both the UK and America, and the core of our business is we sell instrumentation for process monitoring and control. We don't actually provide the control, but we provide the mechanisms for companies to control their systems based on the output from our devices. NDC is a company of about 200 employees, as I say, about 100 in the UK, 100 in the US. For several years, the company used ACT, and that was before I came into the business. And of course, ACT is, it's a very good contact management system, but that's what it does. It's about contact management. And the directors of the business were looking for a more comprehensive sales and marketing solution that would allow them to get a better grip in terms of how they manage sales and marketing throughout the business, and also in terms of getting an opportunities pipeline, a sales funnel in place, which was obviously impossible with ACT. I use most aspects, most functionality of the program I'll get into every day, because it's simply a repository. Whatever I need to find, I can find it. I'm looking for contact information, I can find it. I'm looking for specific issues around a particular opportunity at a customer, I know where to go. So it's a simple repository of information. I came into SalesLogix about 12 months ago. The project was handed to me to really push the implementation of SalesLogix across the company, both in the UK and the US. I came up initially for a one-day session with Neil Slater, who spent the day with me outlining the whole SalesLogix package, because up to that point I'd only really been involved in the marketing side of the program, which was a very, very good grounding to let me see what the potential was in the company, and also where I had gaps in my knowledge that I would need to fill to really make a contribution to the role. And what followed on were two very good days, again one spent with Neil on the basics of the sales client, and a second day spent with Nick Poncia working on the administrator tool, which really provided me with the foundation I needed to move forward, which has helped us achieve the results we have so far. At the moment, I'm going through a fairly intensive program of reinforcement with the sales guys, both in Europe and in America. The product was actually introduced into the company 4 years ago, and for various reasons it was let go and wasn't particularly managed. I pulled back from that situation, and as I say, I'm working very closely with the sales guys to reinforce the learning that they've had so far, and to make sure that they are using the full functionality of the program, and as much as we require them to, for leads management, for activity scheduling, and obviously most importantly for forecasting.